The program I've created for my custom project is called Spooky Drums. It's a drum machine that uses bones for drumsticks as well as skulls for drum pads. I've used a range of ambient sounds for each of the pads to reflect the spooky theme. The program uses a combination of a circle intersect method along with a mouse down and key down method to check if the player has pressed the mouse button or one of the keys, and whether the circle connected to the bone intersects with the circle connected to the drum pad. And if these things occur, then the bone is animated, the color of the drum pad changes, and the sound is triggered. For the skulls at the top of the screen, the same thing occurs. The bone is animated when they intersect, and the mouth of the skull opens and the sockets of the eyes change, so it looks like the skull is blinking when it's hit. When the program starts, the player has the chance to press the spacebar to access the quick tutorial. In this tutorial, a letter appears in the center of the screen, and the player must press the letter when the pad is highlighted, and a cha-ching sound will be made if they hit the letter at the right time. The game can be controlled through the keyboard as well as a combination of the keyboard and the mouse. The mouse can control the bone on the right hand side of the screen, and this can hit any of the pads. The bone on the right hand side of the screen can also be controlled through the keyboard, but when using the keyboard, it can only access the pads on the right hand side. The bone on the left hand side of the screen can only be controlled through the keyboard, and it can only access the pads on the left hand side. The two buttons can be used in tandem, either through the keyboard or a combination of the keyboard and the mouse.